We're back on Facebook. I don't know what happened, it just went off, but we are still here, ready to work and work for you. Make us a pampas live on Facebook. The bottom is at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. We're all live on Radio Good 90.5. Now, and the main car was a Prophet Emmanuel Badukubi. Prophet Emmanuel Badukubi, and ne or Beba Abekai home, and now we for as well as papa. Now, the costume no Obika a free, and then we for a banner more than so banner butu. Main council Charles McCarthy point of law, our Hase Sanso, Naivia by Esther Najiman, aka Yasantua for a year of Silkuma, Santimantua in Kukumasi, and then probably do the Biamo, our Hase, and every boom, Nadi to make in the boom, and Uncle my idea. A man penny say, former President Mahama, age an empty national office. Now it's a Ghana photo and naka premium, and a Rijano, and then one summer, and then yes, a better for her, my mama Paba. Na yemfa enhyehyɛ so na menka so betimi a share wo na obi foforo so anya kwanya no so atimi atie bi. Don't forget so be pass your comment no through the live streaming no na ebre so a yetimi akenkan ade ama point of law me pa chotwe be me kakra bai be me kakra
Something by they say, some my Ghana, what's your pampas? You want for me a random empire, Miss Sunny, the Masawa Sassari. Oh, my Ghana, I take your pants. Oh, God. It's Ghana, but I can say, well, we are. As we play like, I feel a song in the game.
Okay, Yanko Charles McCarthy point of law, Mini Akaba.
Sorry.
Akomi there. Fioboko. Business is sweat.
Oh,
yeah, Prophet Emmanuel Baduko Bisham come say a few businesses be collapse, be collapse, be go through collapse. I hope they are affected.
What's not when they say
you have an answer.
As almost a year auditing our television. We are on the newspaper.
So from radio to TV, from TV to newspaper.
And I just say a woman
Ghana, what's your pampas?
I say, we auditing now. Not would have been to that. I'm where my video will be a fetiana conya to the other day. I say, it is expected. Akaya, by the or mobile, your very but Lou said, I am within the law. Meaning to be outside the law. Once Article 162.3. I walk on. Maybe the bar make a
what do you think, sir? Anyama Bena NC person might achieve with this auditing?
You see,
what did he try to achieve?
Why you say you are auditing the media spectrum? So audit media spectrum. What it means is that if you are frequency allocations, if your mama allocations of frequencies they are unable to account for what I say, and to audit the entire media spectrum. Do audit if your frequency are much use say who use their what I say. If you are Fabra, well, now, man, your bed, obey. That is the essence of auditing. No, why I would
Ghana, what's your pampaso?
Because everybody is clear. Say, media, there you don't need any impediment. There should be no obstacle in your way. So, also, get in central demand. Martin say, it be blindly or deliberately. I refer to Article 164. Article 164 then is not against Article 162.3. Nature say those are freedom of the media exist. But in Centronica, some far who now know that way they they get it. It will be against the national peace and cohesion the law can take you on. That is what I think say Article 64, 164 is suggesting. It's not suggesting say you should regulate me. But a regulation, licensing and regulations are two different things. Let's get it clear. People are making it look as if say your car license are a regulation. Or is it the first set me what license is it mayor radio station? It's not the same as regulation. Regulation is a mean to me. It means I cannot broadcast beyond a certain mileage. But I'm not saying and this are mean license. If you don't need license, it is not the same as regulation. That's what I say. Regulation there, yes, we agree. Say as I see, the media spectrum should be regulated. We must be guided. And until now, but now, will be cast some of the Christian. Or cast someone now, what's the Christian? You are regulating. NCA there's no law. I see I share masses and mobile to make away, no. So there is no regulation as to what to say and what not to say. Which frequencies are what to broadcast and what not to broadcast. No. And there's a difference between license and regulation. License simply put a permit. So do you have the permit to drive? And if you're a driver, what is your documentation? And your license. That's it. But regulations, driving regulations will be what? We and this are. But look, I'm not for a can. Say, and I want the car, Muntia the car. My bizarre question, I mean, maybe sub you. Sir, NC, NC and Ton, as I say, NC and Ton Coco. Now, I can see Muntia from Makoto Coco, NC, no more DNC car. Radio stations 131. Our Mudiabeto or so Mudi NC can. Quan Benz on a can of a buy. Do you get it? As a result of failure to renew their license. What am I saying? Radio God is older than Muntie. Muntie just 5 years.
Radio God over 20 years.
Yes. Auxiliary FM, more than 10 years. Atinka frequency, no. That is Sena. And I be Atinka. Great FM, and I be a vendor. Class. Is it class or not? Bakunewo, XYZ. XYZ, Agu FM. First, na power, and a bay Agu FM. Very good. So the frequencies are moving. What I say, most of the frequencies have been in the system for long. And a cano say XYZ and that's who operate or the car 50 million. No operator. I want to know how much Muntie the car.
So per NCA statement on Mancasa de Bayer, no category or more Medicano. Muntie FM in this category. That
is, I want to know the offense. Muntie offense is not stated. 2 stations, ZZ Radio Company Limited, and Paradise Vision Estate Limited. Their offenses are not stated. Now, can you say there are several infractions? What are the infractions? Let me know, Nyamaye. But your license is being revoked. If they have failed to renew, statement, they have failed to renew, renew license and operated illegally for about 2 to 3 years. But other people who are owing, no, and they no more. Are they renew them? How can you renew your license and still owe? Permanent now be for renew license. Now we start the NCA car. enti no mo de NCA ka 4 million 10 million 15 million 50 million 61 million Ghana cedis so mo renew our license e de enti no mo de
e de na ma e can it me accrue to that me can say amount say o ka say because we are NCA for tower cry see airport me ni say the cost of that building no e be do 60 million Ghana cedis. I don't think so the cost of the so I say a company a radio station be a film nyina ni income kra even 500,000 Ghana cedis ka say odeka 61 million Ghana cedis e dey na masa aka ne ba
me matise say parliament the Ghana parliament no e na shemra say obi bia obed default ewo ubu mra bia so a obligation bi na wan perform a day 10,000 say masana mate sana parliament ashe eyema CI say LI say dey intinu o hwe a ebia bu o domo calculate days no eno mu di ma enti radio go then over 6,000
61 million.
No, into about 6,000
days.
6,103 days. And no would divide 60,000, 10,000 multiplied by the number of days. Why are they? What they can? The 6,000, how many years? No. Look at the radio go there now 6,000 days. No. A baby, it'll be there 5,000 days. It's a day so. And no more computing. A day be 10,000. What I say? And they say what default to and from the date of default no more shall see calculate 10,000. A day be 10,000. No more cabo. No more the show. Oh, but I mean every young say institution no NCA. Much nothing. Obiate moka. Mata. Obi de mokamun to me misano. You can't. You don't have to
say these companies are ABD 51 million, 61 million, 45 million, 12 million, 13 million. Is there any radio station or media house or Ghana who be to make us away?
Matisa and ya canitria, Matisa Oxy, DJ Oxygen, Kwame Alfred. I grant interview also on Nabusi for it. Uka obobo cross ka require 40 million onya bintua ozo omo ton abusia for kanwa that 14 million omunya bi emfe ne ho oni bi what is it DJ oxygen or ye eduma do you get it what they got 14 million but what ye eduma me say I want to know how much muntie dika na if they are for better collection, media could yet granted, assuming without admitting, Sebunte. Why don't you want to disclose how much Sebunte? But our minister said, Obi be our own person who are against the NCA decision. You are not right thinking. Also,
but also I think
it was reported
yes,
on
yes, cityfmonline.com. But Menyan audio ninti.
Yes, sad in the sense say, Asla before becoming a minister, who lost the wide more DTV.
Okay.
Asla hosted program on DTV. Was a kind of sitting host.
Okay.
On GTV. Asla, yes, FIDA, Federation of
Women,
Africa Women. Asla, no, feminist. A man for kind of gender advocate, but I don't think say gender advocate because mother. Gender is not limited to women. And this is a women job, we women advocate, we gender advocate. Do you get it? Asla. Anytime we have a problem, she calls for people to come to her defense. Mekai, she also call for the deal.
Ghana, Mutia Pampaso.
Or say Ghana for, and sorry, Moana. na oyo banti ene osla timi I can't sama onka. The last time I was saying, yes, I brought a vetting. I don't know how confessing or vetting committee too. They said yeah, when you change person because of some training, yeah, what for firm, me what? Then you not here. And then that same person, us like to meet na radio so a cat TV, so can say and yet free school. And keeping muka nempi.
Not or say former president Mahama not miss.
And the Saafo no de omuni obi obeka bia mom. At the time she was right thinking when she said so. And then what could take a decision as a lawyer, no what decide they say you are revoking licenses of radio stations. You are imposing fines. What is permission if you do? Court. That is what you do. In a civilized community. That is what we do. Obia wania bia wako school. Wania bia no. Who go to obia mama who di court. Who bo mu kwa do just an idea. Is that not what you do?
Yeah.
You prefer charges against those institutions. Take them to court and revoke their license. You don't sit in your office and write letters to revoke licenses because you are the sector minister and therefore you hold press conference and defend it. And it's an embarrassing situation for me. So a minister of state who decides that NCA are taking an agency under you are taking decision. As harsh as the decision is, a man for a complaining to add insult to injury. Or see, whoever is not supporting NCA's decision no, is not right thinking.
And so, is so.
But the minister has insulted everybody who disagrees with NCA's decision. She has insulted everybody, including Nana Akufo-Addo. The president, what did Tazan, Charles Rekubobe, Echo Court, Echo Supreme Court, Echo challenge NCA then decision, not to give Tazan Radio I license. And this dear Tama, it started from there. Nana do did Charles Rekubobe court, Abra NCAC, Omo Mani Juma, because only license, you know. I'm going to we are following the steps. Oster Chelsea, whoever is thinking that operating a radio station without a license, as enshrined in Article 162(3), no, it's not right thinking. Me, my lawyer. Oruna Gu Ghana Bar for Association anymore. She's embarrassed the entire association. That she's a lawyer, she should know better. Said BBC is here. God prefer charges. Muntie 131 stations. Meet me in court. Yes, I know. Or see, come and show cause why we should not close your radio station. Make I condemn us. I will let anybody know. The chief would do. I say, come and show cause why you should not be in prison for bringing the highest court of the land into public ridicule. And the over letter kakra. Oh, management of Muntie. When every NCO, the first a month to A, B, C, D. And come and show why we should not revoke your license. Now the Muko court. And take a decision if you court nearby,
Ghana, what's your pampaso?
Muntie should go and appeal.
Nanado Kasembi, then in opposition, says a Ghana for Twaba, Emma MPP, or Mumma, Emma Casafin, Ghana for Yintisa, and no. We are Mamma Miniaba Esther Swapa.
We are going to be my Lodi, we are also fire going. Yet, was your papa, my also. Agwa keken samwa emfata nkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ. Onyankopɔn bie kwan ma yɛ. Lodi wei ahɔ nso a kwa yɛ goe. Yɛnkɔ so yɛkɔ akɔma yɛn ho so. Agwa keken samwa emfata nkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ.
Nobody likes whiners. People that spend all the time whining all the time, I really get on people's nerves. So stop whining. Stop spending, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. Please, we know it doesn't work. So stop whining all the time saying it doesn't work. If it worked, you probably won't be sitting there. It is not every time you want to make a decision, you have to see the minister, the deputy, on every head. What is this thing? Where did this come from? Do you know how many people want to actually sit down and meet the Minister of Labour? Have you been to his office? There's hundreds of them. What is this thing like, I have to see you, I give me your cell number? This phone doesn't stop ringing.
You are right. We have the money and we have the expertise. We came here to sit with the decision makers to formulate policy to help us integrate us into the system. Where are the decision makers? You tell me. Where are they? Where are they? They are nowhere around here to listen to us. So now, everything we talk about here is going to be second and third class. It's going to be washed out, and whatever is left is going to be passed on to the decision makers. Everybody comes in here and has an attitude that, oh, I got something better to do. Well, if this is the biggest constituency, if you're a business person and you know that there is a constituency that has the most amount of money and the most amount of expertise that you need into your business to make it work, I would have thought you would spend more time with that constituency to get them to do something. There is nobody here. The decision makers are not here. So we need to change this mindset. And if you would let the president know, this attitude and this arrogance about we are whiners, really? Who travels 3,000 miles to be a whiner? We could have been whiners from our constituencies. We didn't need to come here. So this attitude has to change. If you want to engage us, then be serious about engaging us, because we're not here to play. Thank you.
Anybody in the north who says his farm was destroyed and will have to prove it. You see, that is our brother, excuse my language. It's so difficult to deal with that. I lived there for 27 years. I see the mining like a Dagumba and all that. They are very difficult people. Nobody can substantiate. If anybody says that his farm was destroyed by Amon, the person will have to come and prove it. We have no records of that. It's just a way of taking money from the government. That is what they do all the time.
And if you prove it, will government then give them compensation?
Yes. And so I think that what they are saying has no merit.
Are you saying that claims by farmers in the north that their farms were destroyed in the Amiwam invasion lack merit?
They will have no merit. You have and you have lifetime or big time farmers. No record on that.
So what about farmers in the south who are also demanding compensation?
They need to come and prove it. We've been coming up every day and we've been asking for proof. Nobody has been able to prove it.
But you just admitted that farmers in the southern sector suffered devastation as a result of the Amiwam invasion. So why are you asking them to prove it?
And I told you it's only 1,430 hectares. This is highly negligible. A drop in the ocean of total farms or hectares of maize crops in Ghana. 1,430 hectares. Scattered around, half acre, 2 acres, just very, very small. Even though we should compensate somebody, we want somebody who would have invested maybe say at least even 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 hectares, cities, or call it some amount, substantial amount of cities. Those ones are not even farming.
We have to bomb big one, my Lodi wei ahɔ nso a kwa yɛ goe. Yɛnkɔ so yɛkɔ akɔma yɛn ho so. Agwa keken samwa emfata nkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ.
Wei ni asɛm a ɔmampani Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo kae ɛbra na ɔbɔ nto a sɛ Nyankopɔn ɛma MPP foɔ kwan na ɔmo bɛyɛ fam aban na ɔmo di nkunim a ɔmo bɛkeka sɛ bio nsɛm bi sɛ yɛ nkyerɛ na nso afekora mae ɛna ɛyɛ Deputy Minister Trade and Industry Kalinsi ɛfrɛ yɛn nuanom ama no ne sɛ winers wo de kɔ obusa obi ɔte UK sɛ kaso bi a wine sɛ kyerɛ sɛ bi ɔyɛ kɔhwini sadwam ɔmo kɔnom sabro na ɔmo te nsa aduase na ɔmo toto papa na ɔmo bɔ abobone from winers every one man a Deputy Agric Minister say no kra nya enough was in ordinance they are liars and thieves ɔmo di troko kɔjisika edi free ɛyɛ aban ho Minister for Information Yera Mustafa Hamid was Ghanaians are difficult to rule Ghanaians are difficult to rule. I don't know, Emma Mayers Lowusu, so Bibi Obeka say NCA decision or matic here, or more a collapse over 130 radio station media houses. No, or Obeka said here be and Sibu, when you're the right thinking. What's good dream? I say, oh, problem or what dream, and I should be our not dream and a Becassa. This and Ra, Yatiano Mampeni say he didn't lie his way to power. When we now okay, can you now put any do a kind idea coswa? No, besides a president come again. Many about Esther, our Hamempa camera in Sinusoja. Akaba, Wampu, and now by self you went to studio and yourself. Umpesa man, Sabi Muan. Akaba Miniaba. Upon me, dear. Yano man, camera needs you so, or him and see so. And see so. You were about 10 minutes to switch over to Radio Good. Over mountain so to say.
Yamia dum seja. I any. Anything. Any say. Say. I say. Never be a while. A young one. So, Nafia Jones, some no near winnie. Oh, no crack, Yamia Nimni. Nanado, any Dr. Baunia.
Ghana, what's your pampaso?
Ghana phobi hambo. Now, when him, Nanane, me team no feel say. Free senior high school no my yen.
Okay.
She say, Ama Oma di baby, a kata omubi so. But me catch room say, and no here dear. But enya no pa na Ghana for nyina because free senior high school into here say. Free senior high school and fair the animal be ni. Dear Sabi oye here ni na oni bie na nananum feel say ne baako school free no. Ni here na obetu ase no ntu you. Eda so wo ho. Ansa na abetu obi here ase no. No timitria ne ba fees. Ansa na abetu obi here ase no. Na ne hoto no kakra. Enti so mo mo tiri mu ye o mo de. Say because of free senior high school ninti. O ma wie bibia. Me feel say no de. Enya sa na tie. Na Minia Makati can be fa NCA for decision no. De bia me ka say adwumawura anom omo anya ade. Omo anya ade because wo ye adwuma na esese utua ka na se wo renew bibia ese wo koye na ya na bisa me bisa say bia Makati uni same matimi aboa me radio stations ni nyina atwiape renewal no mutwiape.
I'm very sure.
I know the ya omunhwem kakra because radio station ni bi kura wo ho a sika eba ene akatua no kra no muntimi ntua workers ni yi so enjo go first station kese bi so onu ntua 10,000 na obi a onu so kra wo bre pa no so ntua 10,000 a mesre omonte so kakra ye nyina ebetimi de yani ahwehwe the number of adverts I call stations ni bi ene de call other stations ni zu bi na enye pe enji sa wo de ka kese esa mo mienu nya o mbe free so ho ena sisia no a me de mame esla owusu ono aka se wasesa eti nanse na ka me bo na baso pa na o so ono se bi kasa fini won anum a ono aka se wasesa ne de na me nim se wasesa ampa esra mame no em se sa time ana se eniema nkoye ma no no she da ye din ena se wo sa akosi ni old style ni ma emwa no oye pani bi yire oye oba eni kwa so makwan edi nkrofo atema nkrofo so bedi natem wo hwe nipa bebreba se muntie a mabiem other stations na a mabiem radio gold ye tutumu a omunim nipa dodo obekwa akotena fie already Ghana adwuma kra no enso media house bi o ho a ekita nipa be 200 300 say adwuma ni ho a station ni ho a so obi ankofa marketer bi ankofa marketers obi nkofa we obi nkofa nti obi abekofi nti yesre omo hwe no nso no mo nka ho ase do mo omo ntwitwa ka ni bi mu emre ya na menua makasi ike de be kra mpo ya me nwanwa enipa no so onya ska edi twa bosome dia enko obetena ho na sa afide a ko obetena ma o man de bia 10,000 okofa no we obu ha o man afekra 10,000 a ontimi ntua enti mo kwotena emra hye bedwafie ko hyehye sa amra we sese obi de sa aka no antimi ntua mo check ye dey ma no 10,000 na ye mpanyifo edi mo kwa ye kwaya na ye bai ohu ye hyemra se bebo nipa ye hyemra matiti nipa akoma nti no so mo hwe ni yie na meno minim de ntia nipa bi a omunim de na o mako school na o munye politicians na o politicians be twa ntro kire wo mo a na medwene ho amenti ase so obi so on de oba aba mu a o meka se twitwi nipa enipa no ma aba mu kro ka se twitwi enti die na kire se o mba aba mu o mo nka se twitwi enti sa o hwe ho de koto aba e ma nipa ne se obi mu ade a me na menti ase so ho menti ase and yera ho me kaza mo amukan yi so see mo wa brochire na sadwiam na de ende o mu fi ebi a ono o mu hia ye no ebi we nim se sa na o mu tie so need a group of people be ni hia ye enti ebi o nim se sa na o mu tie ayamo ya mamu ya usenya mo no ka kire mo e na obi kwatena radio so no ka kire NDC fo a ka mo bo mo nsama ma wo eye saka se twitwie no maka se twitwi nkrofo saa na mo bo mo abaso de bia meka akabi second lady 2016 ya wotimi ka se omampanyin dada ye useless obeye popular because of sasem no ka e wa ya dio campaign de wa yo na ye sasem na enti se nipa ne ka kire obi o ye opponent de ye ode eslan usumami o kaseti afoko poto e ma me kura mi bufu de oni ni kuro toto afoko ho oh sanwa na eba ma me otiko o kaseti o mampanyin dada mesa edidi atem mani nye ho so pese o ka obi asema nyo bedidi na atem na chense watimi aka ase papa but o ma yesa magana fo binom abo ma baso abesi ne emrashe bedwani era Kennedy Japan watimi trase kaseti o mampanyin dada akufo kaseti former chief of staff o se metina na nchen pe so enti mo ye o mo saa na afi o mo ba aba mu na o mo de ye mo a se yesi agro no yanka ni wachi ase agro ye de so enti saa de ne enye obi obeka saa asem ni bia etia no enye oh former agri deputy minister asema okati a ye nuanu mo the three northern regions enye but ye rako bi e champion ka bi kira asantefo eno so na enye ofri kumase ana ye koko asikrasi ni baby e be fra baby a no ye mani pani nhuse enye se kotia wo a na abehu senye itimedie ye mesre na na ado ene omo buga na men se yewura nochi watena brochira ache so nti neme bu ha omo ye na brochira ha ni ha abrochire wa individual ntan sidan government na esie no akotenem abrochire mra ye adwuma abrochire obu ha onye adwuma kra yetua ne ka minim Ghana fo bebre omo ti UK a onye adwuma ba because of a ma wa wo nti etua ne ka ha ye nya saa
bi agigi ses ka no kra da besi
saa enti wontimi mfa emra na wa abrochire ne kete mfa medie so nti omo nsan hwe na omo nhia na omo hu kwan a omo befa so a omo be yi saa de na fi odan say omo be ka stations ni nyina ye close emwa kra
That's in your bar, Esther Nana Ajima, or also Nadia and the Pampas live on Facebook. No, me and Senanyabo, any moment from now, best switch over to Radio Good 90.5. Now I broadcast live from there. Now I abroad. I make answer Prophet Emmanuel Bedu could be, and so we do heavy. Prophet Emmanuel Bedu could be a navy and then 101 was so was Sembi Bra or so Mangana for you now. To me, to me, say, man, you are feeding no free. A man has here streaming live. We shall see a shot to see streaming. I don't know who has a streaming in down. And as I shall say for whatever they do, we are still here and ready to serve. And to just keep on. Na I watch but modern so be share war. Na yes me distribute your mama and send na to me and to be. And send me bra man pin na dan kwakufu ado kan ye. Beni aka se fide yi abo ade sunku na ja no so ade sunku. Na so man pin timi fa we nyina chi with the sounds and gumbes e gu ha se nyina na man pin be ka kire Ghana for say be didn't lie his way to air power. Wodwene ho a won tia se emu ba ko na me body man no ka se omo ba ban mu a omo me ka se bi o ka safi emfa nkire Ghana for yemu sa se aban ba yi ensembe no makeka ense o maka na some of them kra no print a enye some of them o print a enye nanso so o man penisi ma ye nkase odi tro ene ba ban mu esan se sanse no nyina ama yentie sounds kakra na enche ye bebo wura Radio Good sisi ade akofa ho nso bi abro sen
kuma se de medase so busa o mu nyina ho yi na mu no wo mo de na ayi set am akona se bobo no ko park wo ba jiro beto amuduro
ade
wo mo di de bia wo mbo bo no to nche edu ni go eti no pom park ajiro beto meto. Oh my god no o de se kuma si for so o mo pe no manya
ya to abere wiam se Ghana fo ntuma anya lucky because onimpa na oye economist o gire ne nanso a oye economic guru a onam oye de ukrom ya to abere wi ne nkofo kra ya bato aban ya fra no oh political prophet ya to abere wi na ya political prophetess because in years but say Dr. Baumia de nyoma oye ne de odu awusu a aye say two strikers o mwon obi ya finisher onu a se osafo man fo be say o me din sa obeda ba sa na e pon game onu a che osafo man fo so a che
na twene a emunye de kura za to de edu intino wa ba ya ozi onye no president ya onye no enya ne seso ni opana
enti kata se boni basa ye ka wuka na Ghana fo bi nti asen ane na eyese but obetine kroma na so ye na adwen se MPP abembe yo mu be ye bibi ama sakre bi abeso ni pan o sika kakra wan ho antempe ya okopense fufuo bi na vitamin C no mu na onkoda.
Cantata TV is there, and you know Cantata. I mean, Apostle producer.
That Kantanka TV.
Cantata,
Kantanka.
Kantanka. But Cantata,
Kantanka.
Yeah, TV, no. You should know.
Ida Genesis 1.
Genesis 1.
Verse 1.
Verse 1.
In the beginning.
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 Ida in the.
In the
beginning.
In
the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
The Pamgana Nibia Chowtitru, Nanado Danko, appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people. The Pamgana Nibia Chowtitru, Nanado Danko, appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people.
Beginning.
Beginning.
It's in the.
In the.
Beginning. In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
Appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people. Appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people. Appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people. Appear stadium near Casse. Sabi, made the Manu people.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
Yaya Mobododo. Yaya Mobokradodo. Yetisikaso and so I come there. Yetisikaso and so I come there. Oyaku Mama Kwana Meba. When you about the sister, Sanya Mayina, Emma Sicano, and I hope any man so actually
President Akufo-Addo, listen to me and listen carefully. You are claiming that you inherited a mess. It's not true. You inherited a fortune. But it's rather the people of Ghana who have rather elected a mess. What's it Wabetoka? The person says Wabetoka. You didn't trade the Padia so. Nemum, Woma Bokani, Ghana for Mutua, Bayi, Nanako for. As they say, Nabania friend Tonaton.
We have been told that when a head of a family fails to raise the revenue to feed his children and they sleep with hunger, we should blame them for it. You are supposed to raise revenue and provide services you have paid. Thank you very much. It is only after this government that will bring a budget that is approved on the 31st. And by the 1st of April, you take the for General February. It is only after this government. But what is the reality? The reality is very simple. The reality is very, very simple. Figures released by the Ghana Statistical Service indicate that after June, Ghana's economy minus oil and gas grew by 3.9%. In the same period last year, with our oil, His Excellency John Dramani Mohammed government is 6.3%. Now we are being told that when you move from 6.3% to 3.9%, that is a growth of the economy. We understand. Mr. Speaker, we are told that we are reprofiling our debt and therefore our debt will not go up. Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I would like to read the Monetary Policy Committee's own report for July. And the Bank of Ghana's Monetary Policy Committee indicates that the reason for Ghana's growth of debt from 122 billion to 137 billion, and I quote, is as a result of the issuance of long-dated domestic bonds. That is the reality. So when you change your creditor, you change the name of your creditor and you extend your tenure, your debt goes up. The reality is that only in the first quarter of the year, we added 5 billion to our public debt. By May, in 5 months, we increased it to 15 billion. That means in April, we increased it by 5 billion. In May, we increased it by another 5 billion. That tells you that we are growing our public debt by an average 3 billion a month over 5 months. And that is fiscal consolidation. Mr. Speaker, growth international reserve. Mr. Speaker, growth international reserve means nothing if you don't compare the depreciation of the city. It is meant to provide cushion for your currency. In the same period last year, our city depreciated by 0.04%. Now it is 2.5%. So when you depreciate your city by 2.5%, it is better than 0.04%. Where do you get that economy? But Mr. Speaker, we keep being told that His Excellency, former President Kufuor, left Ghana 9.6 billion of public debt. I fear for the scholars of finance and economy when we make it. Where in the world do we use nominal values that have stood for over 10 years to calculate present value? And these are things that our students of finance are learning. You need to understand that 9.6 billion, when you begin to factor in the time value of money, cannot be 9.6 billion. The reality is also that as the Bank of Ghana's own economic and financial data release, Ghana's economies benefited tremendously from oil. Whereas last year at the same time, we did only 400
salute Your Majesty, and Her Lordship.
Again, the same time last year, The same time last year, once we did 3.5 billion, I mean 2 billion of gold export, we have done an additional 1 billion. Tell me, what is Excellency Nana Dodongo Akufo-Addo and gold exporting? Nothing. Is it 1 billion wonder? Is it 1 district, 1 party? Is it the only one? So at the end of the day, you are taking credit when you are yet to be on your feet. Mr. Speaker, this economy is on a life support. Our economy is on a life support. And anything do propaganda with our economy will continue to expose us. The reality is that we don't have money to pay workers when the month is due. The reality is that we are struggling to even get offices for 110 ministers. The reality is that you are programmed to spend and borrow an additional 3 billion. So in 9 months, you will have doubled Ghana's public credit before that. Thank you very much. And 5%, it is better than 0.04%. Where do you get that economy? We keep being told that His Excellency, former President Kufuor, left Ghana 9.6 billion of public debt. I fear for the scholars of finance and economy when we make it. Where in the world do we use nominal values that have stood for over 10 years to calculate present value? And these are things that our students of finance are learning. You need to understand that 9.6 billion, when you begin to factor in the time value of money, cannot be 9.6 billion. The reality is also that as the Bank of Ghana's own economic and financial data release, Ghana's economy benefited tremendously from oil. Whereas last year at the same time, we did only 400 million by His Excellency Dr. Mohamed Sheffel, we did 1.2 million of oil.
Sawazulu liletile ukukhanya nezindlandla ezinkulu imikhuba yobumnyama iyaxoshi kwezimpe siyabingelela ukusa ifike
nami ansana nyabo. And Timino Kase, Yadamu Live on Radio Go 90.5. Sansu Negusa is to me live on Facebook as Samohonto. GhanaPoliticsOnline.com also almost to me live. I also bet me I share live, said of your Facebook. No. Now, medical boy, Mania Dada, and then every Onyamidi for Prophet Emmanuel Badukubi Awaha. Oyanka won't say no D for Din Shemwachapa. Now, you man does so. Na yesi abua kusi ompiawia unse kusi epiawia ni ama mienu aida se enkrani na borua ni bomu enu apie ana obi enu de anumde eni akobodija ezede odifo aha wane na pamfo Mr Beautiful eso be hu Mr Beautiful and hoden na hoden eche cocaine and this in person the pass be nya cocaine he said I can't tell say what market and the market. Abrantia Elvis Abiga Eke na Pragane Ra Elom Nebo Jumede Chidom Mididi Samonto from the captain of the dress ship. And na yeru di for babon komo yebo wia e dia kasoso abedwe for hososo between Srani Ambassa. Na Sabra men Sabre no. Ma men fan chakese enkoma yenu na moti enka wa manone Apostate FM so Virginia. Ma moti enka o Radio Good 90.5.com. Sanso na GhanaPoliticsOnline.com. Eho nyina moti enka ene ewie chiacha papa so live on Radio Good 90.5. Boydo honorable MP incoming MP Ada constituency. Wa mama mi do you guys as well papa honorable na wi mi chapa papa. Sanso na mi nia simo NDC headquarters and na wi mi chama papa. Na sabre mama mfa kasa mononko odifo ho. Na yemfa yemkomo die ne enhyehyɛ so. Menka wo se wonso so ubetumi na wahye ewo na before difo be hye ase kura no afi 2017 prophecy odifo de baye odifo hye nkom se worldwide ewiase banks be collapse ebi susu ebe hake na akọ the prophecy number 7 a ebe hobo yi asem odifo kai ni se businesses will collapse me no ka say businesses are collapsing. That's why say me wo media adwuma mu ntino. Per NCA directives somebody abano. See radio stations over 131 are bound to collapse because we were adomade buyer. More are to follow. Me know so muguso TV stations so more they take. Very soon TV stations so they are going there. It means more businesses are going to collapse. We a prophecy, a prophet Emmanuel Bedu could be Eda Nadi. A year 31st December 2016 and Sakura na Yura Afimo. Odi for Memo Akwaba.
Ye job and you can see it.
You share actually.
And okay,
I don't know who's to come there near Tio for
we are busy. And I means me busy. And you know, Sana Akoye. Na facha me adwuma ne doso
yes food doso so
oye ni nyina
akwa baby modi
ye job anyin kese
na sorry fit say
bibia boko yesu na ehwe yen ma bibia ekoso ya ho odin sua wasase we so do no be kire no ya ye de da ho emre da ho ne kwan da ho na sia fa so bi e kan nyina boma na nyame adwuma ekoso
odi o prophecy a wo de ba ye afi mu no enyama o kan na do so pa emba mukura mo be si du edia abatwem the latest one in businesses are a collapse and enyama wo do ekoso se dia wo kai nyina e baba mu dia na chi so di afi nyo
ye nyame e pese oye no oguso ye na kai me kai se me hyenkom 2012 or 13 se Nelson Mandela bewu edu November no. And one of the guys from report to about one of the newspapers, baby Sam said, so see Nelson Mandela be you do November. And Mr. So they can December Mandela na we. And a 1 month to the end of the year no. Nyame and a year do person here. Until the Nyame be come ya come.
Odi
Papa
prophecy number 7. Businesses will collapse.
Sure.
Businesses are collapsing. Yent bi be am found.
There be because the ten say nyame ne nim die na ewo anim ena waka ho asema to ho enti no ebesisi se ne nyame aka no na mom problem Ghana fo be face a ibedru oba me ka Ghana fo be face ni say Ghana fo so mo plan sisan yes anom kan
yes
yan san bi o ha wo nya sisan wo bre omo be hu bi 4 years omo be hu bi pa omo be hu say bi no be bre good because aban we no no be obedwen se oye de e kan se bia o pese enume mu da ho obewie na enume bre asai o de fani nyina to kai sasma me ka kire we ti enye se me ka se na se UT Bank any capital GCB take over me we say question say minutes be na GCB 4 year da ho kire se ampa o me so ko take over UT ne capital minutes be board meeting be minutes no wan ya fa be kire be si ne
because report about like it's a board or meeting.
Thank you. It's one of the mass I didn't cause. So na nyame nim de nipa be ye. Amanuma sisinti nyame ka ho asem ahead of time. Na Ghana the problem be ban say a lot of radical action will be taken. You be say ye the money maybe want da ho be wie no no be be say.
Who is going to take that radical?
Also government of the no take radical actions. Ade bi ohwa as a say nka utimi ne stakeholders transe kasa te say closing down of this state radio stations here unso mo ba nche nti only stakeholders nyamuhia what is omuhia pen
David
nti adenti ne o toilet go no eso ni free ni pe nyina mo transe mo kasa mo de car na say nti ye mamo some few time bi mo hwentua yes an ye no because station na wo go no or influence or you be so be horse run pa they be on the two muntie into muntie will impact nya on so good muntie how affecting the life so into no be a way ya na the find the law of balance what the balance act at home they be na ben say we are one sided for be mu enya de pa
sector minister ma me slow we say obi bi obeka say the ATS edition we be na that person is not rightful thinking person will be as if you na dwimu
ewi ase ade tie obi a o se ye etia wa o se enye thank you tisana meka etia obi a etia wa enye etia obi dia enye hwe sana e before ye tie nti papa sana mesmeka
odi obaye memu a say nation bill na national bill obi a wona dwuma a wo ye carpenter for border so ye nkunyamo de no mason for sidan a driver for so ye omo de a church for so eye onyame adifo ene mu amafa nyame adwuma to mo ho so amoye musuro be na mu play as far as national building is concerned.
Problem I facing is asofo nim say nation no omo you say omunya influence wo asofo dwen say sorry dem pe na mistake me mu bi be chirichiri ene say nyame fro bi so asofo a uko Hebrews chapter 5 verse 1 to 3 ye free free nipem na ye de na ama nipa into no obro nipa so Hebrews 5 1 to 3 ye free nipem na ye de na ama nipa into no say ye na free nipem into obro nipa so ye free nipem nte no ade bia de na ni hu bia obro so ba ye nim because me can say bi asofo bi ne nsa ehye politician bi botom obele na wakasa
e wa Ghana ha
there be asofo bebre so asofo nsa ehye politician botom wakasa onzoro miti wei me nsa ehye politician bi abotom enkofo soro am se me NDC na masere sa president mama me ngine 1 CD da unhia na abusa no na me ngine 1 CD nso da adentia politician has some gene sika go meet me kan ansam
ah se de ntia ene asofo a na bebi atwa wampani dada mama penso na omo kan twa aba na nimu na na omutumi nkasa no as a result say
obi ho kasa ma aban no aban abaso yi entia no ntumi san kasa ntia
enko ye kura
ntumi kasa ntia enye ensese politician is nation in your politicians there o president Akufo-Addo kasembi da on inauguration day no or say Ghana for ya munye citizens
voice no
also munye citizens not spectators aseme na boso chere nation nya ne dia o enye MPP dia o enye NDC dia o nyina dia na na me be chichima mo hu ba bia adekonte mistake be right ne say ignorance ne doson na men of God na say chire ignorance ne doson oko the book of Haggai na ko Zechariah na ko Malachi ni nyina omoka or say the lips of Haggai chapter 2 no say the lips of the priest must keep knowledge and the people must learn from his mouth and to we nyame nipa na nimdie ni so a o nyame nipa no ye de ye dey ye ba na me catch them so beautiful say person me raising ko from be rich na me raise ma no matimi influence in the nation because like papa won talk so be person oba gold ha be ye bibi na ho to na and so person edwuma because what this obetua me bo obetua dra ha na so obo tongues me bo tongues wi a monya mame and me rehe wi say me ho afenti monya mame there be ye this kind of sika solve about over 90% things in the earth enti adenti no so for ntimi enya nimdi we nka nkire nipa so enti asofo problem is nimdi aboyen my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Enti no kwa nyame nkrofo na asofo na nyame nipa we yi omo for nyame nkrofo on kwa nimdi abomo kra they know not Psalm 82 verse 5 they understand it not. And to say all the foundations of the earth are out of course. He says in nimdi abom to be bia e basa. When a case will be the president or ye wo sofo usuti onye oti president just say or preside over the things what they shall say president or your servant or your boss or your master. Yentias ye na me president be gina ma me sign crusader me nya bi maybe san say dent na o sesan so I say me on come mintie o ka say nko ya meka ma gina kire no but you see president say boss or na say president Akufo-Addo ka say me re ho or say actually national the Ghana National Planning Development MPDC
development planning
yeah omo ko ni nchen so omo nyina resign unma so ka kire omo also no nka nchen so omo resign and no mra bia ni hodi asom so omo resign won so man resign a wate ase because new law onye king ye ka so obi ye king a king ye ntu na de so king uni term of rule say 4 years now ko ye nya bi boy ye president just say me nioma go me po bia mo hweso hweso mame wo hweso yi a wo free so a me tua wo ka me da wase enti wonye ye king ani enka na asam mitati mame bi ba mo I say your friend nanam enka ma asam no kind of so me jitu because president nyi obi enka na asam president no obi na to no so aba enti obi o right so sa ka kire no but ye dey any say so be the president a ye seek or the koto bulletproof car crash one tinem ye ntimi nka hwe nkyira no say ana anko akoto car we na me nam form ana anko akoto car we na provide adwuma ana anko akoto car we na we ni say ye ntimi nka nkyira because ye so a president because ye nti president no crash. In the days of Daniel, no, there were presidents, but Daniel was a prophet, and presidents were listening to Daniel. It's in the Bible. The book of Daniel is clear. Inti adan yenti bibia se eto na nimdia boye now yes sir massa yes our hen or you servant na among servants or you chief servant servant nyina on your head into one new man na wo no hwe so ma ho okọ be na okasa ma ho into one kasa ye chense na okọ one kasa ye amame ba yesuro no so for ka wo ye NDC na NDC me de ye den MPP me ye den sa parties me to me o MPP ye form no na manyini NDC ye form no na manyini bro sa enti sa parties we de na ebe me ye form mo nso no mani hu wo nyina de mo femu de mo komu turu nyina enti ono de na oba ma me o person enti when the bit catch me say with that MPP points of law enti me NDD so na bit catch so catch me say MPP ni wa enti point of law NDD so kind of concept the shit enti we bibia we say we bibia na dey to ho ba ye de ye nso de meka ho low way o se matra be careful de ese ye beka o Ghana ha ni beka na onim uye sophobia obi owo assignment commission the aswan so nkoye and obi on so sawo national commission me assignment commission ni say o Christian ni obrabo be fe a Christian must be attractive and I'm a national assignment no so and say Jeremiah Colon see to root out, to pull down, or say I've set thee over the kingdoms and the nations, to root out, to pull down, to throw down, to destroy, to build, to plant. And to me the anya no me to free ho de aye no meka ho asem yi e de na koso man ga na enye sisi a opeso tutu yenya baako na so nga yenya baako enko ba bia. Number 2 ye debate a history nation be debating history in future. Life is about tomorrow, not yesterday. So if you are still talking about yesterday, arguing about yesterday, you don't have tomorrow. I didn't will be argue a future. Says how political parties we no and I hear problem. MPP NDC no. It will come to me cause I didn't have 2 parties who went to ntwene. Ni independent person no be Ghana so. Because I hear party some na party near party. She said President Kufuor do say now the reference to call President Kufuor. Abra nipa take over from President Mahama. Professor Mills Aba. President Mahama. What refer o? Enti sanso na NDC ni so ba President Mahama na obi so wo ho a no so refer to President Mills. What wrong is this? I didn't even kan kira wo mo. Papa on top any atiefo. This man share President Kufuor do say one on one. Mishiana. Aso na ka kira no. Me who say no betimi akase. Ebi ne dia hin. E maybe me ne koye program ho. Me na me ye chairman. No ye me na me ye chairman. No ye special guest. Na omunyina ho na so fo nyam make ka ma adwene kire no. Data no nyambe na so pass ma ka che nyame akogu mframa. Data no nyambe president na ni say. Ye ko na obegina no o say dey no or sit about sports inside me na omo ba omo do omo be no different am say nya no kure papa. Wo ba betena Flagstaff House. I want to betena. I see me about catch obi abeji adi. Besi ne papa, asema mo kan na de na ekọ. Nti ohun, sa na omo tie. Politician e dwuna omo an ho, ka obedam. Ene he, omo ba se ya. Boyam young baby be the Land Cruiser mo. Ya Lagos. Me shia akwa bi pa wo sakomo no. Or you just informant o. Or the Land Cruiser. Informant. Or the Land Cruiser. Kotie beka on the Land Cruiser. Na me sofo, me drive Land Cruiser no bi say, and na sofo aba. Na me osofo ne name politician one e hire. David, no your hine. Any day, no otie Nathan asem. Ti wan e hire. Into you missing you maybe na so for ntimi kan okra no sikenti. Enye ye mu bi. Ye mu bi de. Si e bedi o si endi o. Ye be kan okra no kosim no be frasa asi so. I am not for MPP, I'm not for NDC. Because who say parties no, e do mo kan okra. Every bia ye ne aye meka ansa manwesem dwumadie. Ye hwe de course so ewo ye be kwa akoto aba se de na asofo bia no odin no mo kasa na aban ba ye hu suppose for yetimi boa posi for fa yehudi ibu record to them ye basabasa fa yehudi ene Ghana yesimra etirase abedu sam pempenso yi sene yemfa se Ghana aye a failed state yemfa se sene Ghana ye failed state ye betime blame sa asofo ne nyame perform se nyame afro mo ye adwuma. Can we blame them? Exodus 19:6 Thou shalt be unto me a kingdom of priests. Kingdom of priests. The word kingdom is the same word for dominion. So software to me influence nipa trouble ba. Me na say papa hunto me influence man who say sa wa brabo hu hia so ko wia. Won so ya nyame be hyira wo. Me na say me influence wo. So papa hunto won hu say wo bi twi ne ka me wia ne ka no. Won so bi asidan me ma woni mbre ne dan. Na won so mbre so a won sa be ka na me sa hye utrim. Na so de bobra na fo be say won so mbre so a na nyame de odi ama wo. Na so fo influence nation a nation be saying Ghana problem no enye purely politicians no asofo na mana basa yetimi kan okra ni nkyere omo ena asofo nso hu se politician do ye ne nye but essence of politician be na sorry na wa kase mu be raise funds na politicians me the same government no so for ntimi nka enye me day me day me ankasa me MP your friend Carlos Ahinkura me utusi a no akire ni mire enye sa na ka no
otumira no
akire sie thank you Oba church masofo nyina ho na mka che ne se efrim no kodi politician mo mfa sike bi ambre me da inji
me bra no ko politician
eno de odebra me anka maji because onye politician but we politician die opo mbre me wan see de odebra me nji on ma de krontia so odebra me na me pese me kan no preacher me ntimi kan kire no.
Does it mean say asofo abrebi etwa Ghana for mu so mo kan no because now do manu si abanda da no nyama e koso so ne ayo mo nya adwen I know ntimi kan as a result say maybe they are taking something
obi ho asika ba bottom ntimi nkasa obi on so ostro obi say o kan ye be cassette ya no but you see Jesus say eduamuno mpo ena nkrofo cassette am na duawu ye ntimi na me so de nkrofo be kan ena say wo be gina e wo opinion say soft could be the brand is for money e wo opinion and for me ho ebe kwa wo nsasema soft could be ko bi kan say no ne no kore no.
Odi we ka bibi about national unity or mining kabo
ye ni bi
ye kai o mampina da ma prenso ebra Ghana economy no mu ye din omo say aye homegrown policy omo ko shia ye senchi e koto adwo omo to nta frɛ amanyuku ahodo ni mpenye wo mo nya amanyofo nyina ba me kan pass MPP for them ka so mo nko o ma nko so
sa no mo tie
fast forwarding 2016 and 2017 Ghana at 60 committee aban ne tie ye no ye hu obi a oka committee ni ho a na onye MPP ni MPP fon kwa na ban ede de koye wo hwe ye mampini ene aban e wo so na mo a wo tutu no a e kire obi a ope national unity
embassy won embrace because sa no mo tie
pompe unity
hwe who study the history of political parties of Ghana UP foi Ghana kwenko so le UP foi
contribution be no ma contribute to our
there be adie bi enya wo mo no omo resist onhwe Ghana mo constitution mo kiro omo kokan obi ko kiro
on boycott
nti den na my Ghana omo akase we die ye join easily
abako sem so akire say independent ye fa hodie
thank you even parliament kura me ka say 1992 Rollins ewe ne ye no omo koy
on boycott election
I didn't know mo yes
stolen verdict
I didn't know mo yes even parliamentary vetting some of the
2030
omanko bi
on boycott
into then how
presidential inauguration omanko
Nanado President Akufo-Addo 2016 debate wanko bi is also a Democrat ye Democrats ye nation for the nation was who ye Democrat in debate kwa wanko bi into we be the president because we be the president as I say with the first subject who to nipa and so be ye nipa so now one subject who be the president nipa be na be subject who to him
sunsu mu hunamu enyama be na ban we lake I was say nyame adi for mu ye bold mu nya kokuru na mo ka kire no
omo root to power no me hwemo me hu ni ye
e ka mo pass bi di ade
me hu ni ye no e mu nchichiri mo e doso omo root to power spiritual root to power e hu ye eno achi no so mba power no I said there power no na no mo hwehwe into mo hwehwe bibi where is God show me where is God in their role ade ani si bia ye ni nje ho no I see it in MPP I'm chem difference no say I said power na no mo hwehwe o manya power no just everybody should just allow them to do anything they want to do including men of God yen ja wo mo na de on pe bi wo mo nye because ye their minor show mo yen fan sha wo nsa o ye the more as a steward the church say hwe so mayen enu nti no bitimi di president into etimi impeach no enye 4 years anima president ye the more based on your acts wudu ba bi na nkoni ye etimi impeach wo tia won ja 4 years ne 8 years ne ka so democracy no ma so mo practice no won tiase but asofo ntimi nkusi asofo dwen say dey ame you see mama nka say yesu kan say me John chapter 3 o say some makamo for one some na say mo ntimi njindi a be na meka won soro nsam na megye yesu me saka biom some makamo for one nsam na mo njindi be na makamo osoro nsam which say say we osofo a for one nsam so say wo ka na for one nsam no bi ni say we osofo say we democracy Then on what come from democracy, CNB, no who the Omoka. Then your friend kind of say fiscal space, CNB. Then your friend inflation, CNB. TSA because who tinipem want to heaven. Next year, no, only your wrong at Sira. Now, so for no, need the Bible, no so kita Bible no pay you or sorry, I know can Bible. We be a coin chop money, the mammy, Yamebe, no answer by 11 o'clock. No, I start after maybe a Bible study. I can last prayer. Now we are so full life, say ya. But then it's a catch of man said, you're a year and Koyi. You see, and the problem with one, I suffer more because ignorance led person. And a two, Crofono buy and channel. It's the same in Diabo and designing Diabo near the Chawamo to also behave the same way. But you move the per se, a senior Mercoso, the point of law can be a percent tears here. And then I didn't know Cassay. And then I inquire into Cassay. No, me tears enough the Omo can be a Timmy Kemi. Let me cheer not a year better. Nadintina, young kind of credit. I didn't think kind of credit. Say, National Development Planning Commission, Commission on Bawa. Guess what? Catch on some Sanko to my Dimaso. Because only here for the nation. Nasosi new king, new law. As more can on Ghana fantasy and two. President for the cast, I understand. See, new king, new law. Papa, new king, new law, law, bang. Nations, new law. Law, bang. Law, bang, yeah, not to a nation, ha. Echenyi and Bebre, yeah, and activity, yeah, near Sasha and Abuse, and you're lost on Sadico Parliament. Law, bang. So you are not a king in the first place. You are just a president. Highest a 4-year president. Udo also kwata 8-year president. And still come 4 years no and you said strict because we can be MP2 till where is the 4 years. And 2 years so we are say so we not nation now. She said not Ghana need national vision. Hwe ye po nation you need be a ko. Person wa buy there we nyina no e wo he when e to aso. Into problem you facing say you need national vision. Road infrastructure ye yakodro he. Hospitals, health services ye yakodro he. You need you know so we ba no be implemented be no age credit no. Utie President Akufo-Addo more about credit. Or see why free SHS. Into why ade and no so call 3 your mo bona baso. Me mbo abaso say Who are the Gruntia? Yes, you see, Obi or wha, or see, Obi per se will sit down, just or transfer Sincano. Yes, to make us know. Or Sincano, no bet me. She said, Papa, free as just not start here, no problem. Also, among Crofonia, no problem. Papa, Sicasano, there's 20%.
20%.
And 80% near saying, out of 400 million, saying, yet 320 million. Away.
Nyankoi.
Tamena or the Bako. Okay, Obedo no sustain free SHS no.
I'm trying to be that bounty as we speak.
Into Obedo no sustain free SHS no. And then a blueprint any idea we no one shall see. We see me man Obedo could be because why you free SHS to me abaso because SM interrogate idea why no. Say you're right and you're wrong. Papa, Obi Uncle Destiny no.
Any blueprint,
Papa, any blueprint to be a blueprint way. No, Papa, blueprint of sustainability and also way.
I want to see the oil money.
Oil money. Away, scan away. Say September salary send a coy.
Your Bobby send it to me for.
And Tiad now Bobu send it to you, my foka. Now a dear Unisika and also on your scan or yeno. Where lies it?
Odi Makwa Cotton Adiaba, Namamusa, we answer Makwa Cotton Adiaba. Osha and my Ghana. A baby a chemosha bandada noa. Natima Mufokasa pa. Or more mere demonstration or more ye. In Kukua and Shabasi issue statement. Or more mere press conference or more lectures or mere symposium. Na and no or more ye. And you won't sign a manina. A who soon be Esha Ghana Swana.
Ghana any demonstration this time. What's all my yen? Oh, my kakra, nurses, Picketu places. Ever. Unim, Usheni Pasua, or best Blodu. Usheni Pasua, or best Blodu. These things, sometimes politicians forget it. Usheni Pasua, where would they cause Togo? Usheni Pasua, maybe we have best Blodu, or Blodu, you can't hold it. And to a woman depend feel free. No one can imagine, no one can the Akonye, the your mom and Bomma Basso, and many people side no money, mom. And yes, sir, cowardized governments are, and the cowardized nation. You have Uncle Baby.
Odi Mamincha Monamenta de Ramekaza Pampas live on Radio Go 90.5, live on Facebook at Samohonto, GhanaPoliticsOnline.com, Apple City FM, so Virginia, US, Abuchimemo, Avonina Soti, and Kayen Chia, one enter the Reba, would you for Hasi, a brain study, nanso mɛfa nipa bɛyɛ sɛ num college na gyabi a mo asɛm bi sɛ odifo a na mo so betime be sɛ na ba ne abɔ ne topa no ekɔ akodi ne dwuma dɔso papa yɛ tɔn da bɛsɛsia
sɛ bɛma wo si bisita na wo bɛma nya adwuma na wo kɔ ya na Bisa no kwasɛm baako ne sɛ bɛma wo te ase deɛ ɛnsɛ sɛ wo bɛma wo ɛno nti tutu anamo nkɔ Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic na ɔnhwɛ wo ɛmfa nhyɛ nyini ɛfiri sɛ hyɛ yadeɛ diabetes hypertension prostate enlargement kɔkɔ yadeɛ sisi yadeɛ gonorrhea ɛne syphilis bɛtumi ama wo bɛma yɛ akɔ fam anaasɛ awu enti wadwene yɛ wo sɛ wo bɛma awu a mmemme si emui kɔ Dr. Amuzu hɔ na ɛnkɔ bɛsa abɛm Dr. Amuzu science stroke hepatitis B ɔsan ma awoɔ hyɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ infertility Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic, our Tafu Club 600, Reno 0247 776743.
Dr. Amuzu was here to see anyone crying. Washimaya for 0241 988884.
Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic, Mawuje Channel, Nyamene Yaresafo.
Once upon a time, let's go for this. Fast forward to 2015, and this year, Apenyo does a new pioneers, Valid Properties Development say a land surveying, site plan, intention, and number was so class. Valid Properties, when you're waiting, it was here, assassin to them 100 by 70 feet for 2,000. And 100 Ghana, and one, what got in our account. And Sassan Ojobi, Budiata Junction, you have a free transportation for site to Memintepia. Valid Properties Office in Sochu Market Junction for 0266 113591 and 0244 442703. Valid Properties. Assassin Sum. Zaki the body demand that the sun. Southern College across the sea, no second world war. Exams now. What training was Southern College now? Drop it. Southern College, teachers where you're professionals who exam lessons. What's your possible question? And when I want to answer questions, I mean, more marks. Southern College, I call classes for what? Which are one time. When your courses speak now, home. It is a very remedial nature one touch. Because Southern College, well, where you are, because start to remedial classes to a Southern College. I'm not surprised who are surprised who parents. Say with this year, Southern College, you will like one hospital, Quanado, Yaman Universal Oil, Adenta, you will Chloe's Campus, Adenta gas station, Legon, you will Phoenix Campus, Yaman UPS, Wahili Plaza, Fresh Southern College, 0242 121 606, 020 838
Bema, me pacho to be zipping Mamma Crack, Namia.
Hey, no much in here, or Besima Pan, what's our man and Swan Cell Radio say, already and Fata Pedro.
I didn't want to see this year, mean, when ye me and which tea, my baby, Miss Matum, who are taught to say, cried you may yimeni. Nasa when the money I drody.
And no one fine beauty soap and ointment. Check, what is some many jarrier, now the cream nest ram, one number says such. Beman Pona Shamiridi, now Oba, and one Fadia, then sent to Canyu, and it shall read ye. Some to Miss Sabro, na a yama money memendina. And my Martin, you fool, never fair, first century woman. Who is also ointment, and I'm already have a fair fenua. A timid by year, as Robin, one more day, young crumble, and one more and cover Mutimina. Fine ointment to us. And you're well medicated, and you also one behind me. I am a mamma, and Quada and Pennyful. I feel I want to throw a young and your propruna, it was it.
Oh, and your fine ointment and soap ye, my Jiwa Tumprecope, Minyan Pokine of Gramich, Pemidi.
And you can't wait. Kumasubanya Biato, Alfred Mess Heba, Polinac, and a brother require. Abuase, Smart Heba, Kaise, Fire Heba Center or sort, and a sub products ever. Kofobia phone called Drive Right Pharmacy, and a Delight Pharmacy, and Kai Okaishi, Ubanya Biato and Abuat Heba, Republic Heba, Repass Heba, Coffee Sam, anybody Biato Heba products Bia. Fred 0206 988 674 and 0242 804 791.
Obiara mpɛsimo wala imagine na wadresi oba na isimi ntianti mfadwuma yi wo ma eyiti na oba azeka de bila na kania ne be waso ufie wa kania no bunye foma waso electricity bills in solar panels, and solar panel, quality solar street light, high illumination, a bright baby. From when promise is simple where we are home. Look with the foam grass, solar panel, ACT, in a bounce now, LED, after 5 years simple, and I'm showing a bright be on electricity. It's a bunch of bills coming in, and when they want electricity bills across, solar panels gonna limit it, or solar hybrid infected, MPPT chat controller, quality solar gel, and a positive tolerance solar panel. Was watching Yaro, electricity office, chapel day, factories, and your bill, and the one flooded factories now, pumping, on cherry, 10 years, and on site, solar panel, where electric and power management aspect, anyone in Casa, no more solve electrical problems, no one fix air conditioning, solar panel, walk up Hill Junction, Accra, so to my phone, telephone, 055-4266-073, or your website, www.solarpanels.com.gk. Solar panel was a real road, and your bills, solar panel, everything about solar.
Asampayetia, wanya sunomonte, maya research organa haina. I would have guest kusunodosu. Now so guest ku kwa ubiara sinabaroko. Only Winneba AME Zion Girls Senior High School. Or professional teachers with quality ICT center, boarding facilities. Wafanyanko pono kwando na wadetete mofamano. Our quality library. Ebenya book ubiara since 2006. Every year, we record 100% passes in WASI exams. Any courses be today. Business, accounting option, home economics, visual arts, science. For more information, about we will win about to my friend
020-817-6887, 020-425-4011, 054-178-5434.
AME Zion Girls, quality education through Christ.
Wala wajoya, wala udadia, wala mpinte so. Ito ko. This is the Rusano. Joy Daddy Bitters. Loyo dima for kanasa mumpem. Joy Daddy Bitters. Onna mumirima hako boko. Nesodu usisuma. Habati Joy Daddy Bitters. Habati stereo. And Joy Daddy Bitters. At the fee. No hangover, no fuse. Whatever Joy Daddy Bitters for party nasia. Azoto na beto. The rhythm no. Honor Joy Daddy Bitters. What's in corner bino? I bought two. I bet so. And I want no man Sundays. Joy Daddy Bitters. Mabu. Sabano Nansa. Kada ukona do Joy Daddy Bitters ati. Alma wenyi jenori yewe. Joy Herbal Center. Anyway, Joy Daddy Bitters. Our sport to be a remote. 0244-585531. Anna 0244-876321. Joy Daddy Bitters. Obesu Safin Wampem.
Ghana, Mutsia Pampaso.
Ghana Mama Pia Stadium Nekasei. Medinyankupon. Ya train no jina Ghana ni bia free president of Ghana Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo me ye ni amoho kasetia no nyame anim medi fo wo medi pedie free so besi fo me gira Ghana ni bia na me gira sofo akese titiriu me maame amaguzia ene osofo pani sofo wo subempa empanifo akuku dem wo Ghana ha me gira sampanifo yi ne Nana Pong any national security boss any soldier from penny for the president from penny for say ade appear stadium here me de ma no twitwi form say e free ne ekosi wiase wieye me ne politics eto kwanta ya pai ma no ntia pani bia biem me hu gusugu nkra wo politics mo na me ya na me pe me mo jado ne me dinsu afremu the Ghana ni bia chaw titru Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo appear stadium ne kase sabi me de ma no twitwi form
say after me, Sebi Manu from Amapraba Sporting Club and Consultancy Services. Who know about friendly Bob Bar and as I control Sembi, I'm so Pacoda or Momesha, their mamma, Fran, who age in 16 to 25 years. Your farm up Bobo and Tibomoding, never Quenya with some patch of Romo or more from Cobaria 02439276652. Nafa Bofra. That was international school, your beer Quenya to SHS, your farm of Fra. enti fa bofra no kɔ na ɔno so nkonko sua de mpacho mo tema community 7 Harbour Road no so bubu ahye omo ben cable wireless kasoa on ben bodua say market no betimi afre 0244 194730 0244 194730 valid property developers was Asiama Sembi and Wendy one. Wamadina from 0244442703 0244442703 and electricity board in Tisola Nubia aircon 2 pesola won ewo biana or how solar na pesola won sumpania sumwa. Nina so the solar panels Ghana limited chakwan or money bet me about General Electric as or me and what you mean Capital Hill Junction, Suto of Pankwan so and no more Bomadina Fred 0554 266 073 0554 266 073 Odi Mensama Wakwaba Bium second half. Na odi anya mi boy yemi apia stadium ni and in a chiu to me say or betrim say a share no ye the choose in so na man yes are recording no picture evidence so asaba se bi ode na mo ma abo form a na osum ni passe ohuni odi na meka bibi ehu ama ehu bebre aboga na fo bi a mo fi se bia o man peni dada ma ha ma penso na wo kafa ahudi e na de wan kakura na se wo ye mistake kitu abi mpo no a baby edo be fa no wo ho beje ho dina ehu abo men apia stadium die ya be mfa nyam pato
papa mrebi be me bi Ghana ha ho that time president mama atiso no mitie bi se obi ka kire mitie se wo no onim se president mama ne bu president Mills kom iku no kan Ghana ha radio station ba ko so
menim nipa o kana se o communication da
papa o kan we nyina no o fan ho die say president mama ne bu president Mills kom o mu say jai kamen ko si mi si me asema me kan no kre wa chango vo nyina na mo na o chichire o man ho na o di hu chichire a o be se o man no best sell mine no mancrofo express you because you believe in freedom of speech papa you see criminal libel law cry you see o you say na kan mete you see ye free ho meboa enti edeni ehun edi to bi asu papa ensem bi o apia stadium kan won some okati a president ho de sem bi o ha me expecting so be kan eno de o ha no gina manim kura me ka kire no but you see Ghana han politics no ya na yaso unim say President Akufo-Addo call Chebi after when obetena kunya so no ya inaugurating I think Saturday Sunday ko Chebi o ya we e ba TV so no otimi praise ayi Mama Samira Baumia o ka say President Mama is useless yes I no kan so no ma President Mama ya uncomfortable or that say no asma catch Mama Sami o de ko tape no say o ko tape na me boa be busa me Upi o kasa president useless no. U president no ma president Mama ye uncomfortable. President o akunya na so no so akotena so no. U president obi o kaseti an successor ni predecessor. Say you can say why wo na man ye uncomfortable. Such a person can make a chance say we wa nyi ni ye. E free say men nam no mi hia ma me samre baby. O kan say enso me na o kan say no. O president o ka chance o useless. Hey, it is obi can be current president then America. Oh, on man kasa na agije so. Na wagije so no. After the o sabe o kasa enye na nkrofo mbuade o mema. Abra make before elections. Nkrofo timi young boys mi bi o no nsem mo ka no. So obi timi bi na no kasa ya kan say se mo si awe ni aba na we take position. On am free. Mo say etie nsamo, mi tie nsamo. Na boys ni bi o ho. Obeka say devil bi na ero mo no mo yesa no. Na sa boys e gu so mo nhia me. Na say e ko yie bi so beautiful e ka ho bi. Mi hia ba ko men fi no kura. Na ko pen ho sem be chia me a ka de me ka kire no. Young
what fa no ho time.
Young boys am ba da bi politics inti e say wutimi run obi down. Ti say do obi ejimi bi. Sebi so ko mo fie no obi ko di president a. Kan ka say the achievement.
Odi for me was some voices some of the political makers elements ebi di watem ebi nukra ko to the stand say almost say udi adru na ya so de no money be a okoji wadru uti this kind of comment about how do you
say na make say edua mu no kra ye say na dua wuye now nim because of nipa bintia kasa some bi kan no we no we ye suffer so side na court na wakɔkyerɛ baabi akɔgye aduro no papa ate ase ɛna to papa ɛnum sɛ yɛ mani pa mfa ne ho ndi o ɔsɛ mkɔgye aduro na me nyame nipa God must judge
ti nyame bɛkɔ ko ama
o de hwade nipa nko ka asakwa no ɔyare ne nam ho nyina yɛ nkronkro no nam ho no nipa no ɔyɛ yarefo na ɔka asasɛm no ɔno a ɔyare no mpo no party bi afa no so on ka communications mo ɔyare
ne yade no nim ho bi
oh papa that me say and dem kan ka so be dwena yade ho mpo won dwena no ho ɛna ɔno bɛka sei ɛtia me na onim papa yɛ nyina te Ghana ha ebedu baabi no obi bia na no kasa na asamato no sa ne enu mo bɛkɔ because who say sa political power no bi say ɛyɛ beyond spiritual power papa Elijah ne timi pagya ne nsa me ni o masi ya kasa obegina so se den ebe ya sofo beduko bi no so se onim Bible mu a ye nko man kama ye kokenkan Bible man kama ye demonstrate power o yam si Jimmy for
sebi
min ka sebi wo ono kasa o ka sebi ni tipa ne me se mun kwankyere no se wo yare da ho na ni na ho nyina ye basa no mumusa no na ho ewia se obi di ni die ma won so ni die ma no na wo who are you to say these things political power kito away 4 years na mu wia na fide mu hu de mo ye mo ho no politicians me te sakomo no estate NDC free power me hu omo NPP free power me hu omo and the 2016 NPP wa pre kuku power ne say ne bebre hia omo asema na me ka kire no ehia omo tafre omo nya power omo nya sika me ka no kra kire o minimum nyina
enti sama mo ka kire Ghana for say omo ba be your money name for their own interest
papa hwe onim Flagstaff on crampo ho no de akoso ho kra na damanim Flagstaff
house
de akoso ho no edamanim
aye
ba wa say
aye
na o he be ye de akoso ho no edamanim obi aye na de free Flagstaff for reason say omo ye fake things edamanim entunim de tiene say ya sofo no ye mu bi ye be ka no kra na kire o contract in bebre omoma hwe min crofo contract on do I say guy back your friend say we inflate contract no I say oh from me say daddy me nye
on fa boni bin
nka ho this government oh nya past government na anim ye mu bi ye be ke kansem bi e wo nation na very soon wo fa ban sika na wa yare ye be ye no bi o nation at this time and after 2020 ye be sa me be sa kusim no me frasa so Ghana ha because you're my politician be me fire for a ride
obedo me o man
na se sa na circle so you boni e den eto papa you boni e den eto nya no me na edi wachi no
enti odi o ma omudi watem no wakoma mu odi ache wo mo
papa na papa umbu ade a enye nya me nipa ubu president umbu me ubu president I'll be 4 years me wa meto me
ebi o mu nim de ni omusua hu no nyame so mo ne enum de ne ntino out of ignorance.
Ignorance is no excuse.
And only emra I ashama ho ba Bible mu de.
Ignorance
is excuse.
Is no excuse. Who no adwenti aye bre. Ye na namu bia ye bone. Ye na ne ehun sunsunso no e ba ye so. Ignorance is no excuse. Who dey abusa papa point of law. Ni family o bibia. I have family ni sa busa ne say. So for am chire mu anchire na. Obere no who side na side way your family say your family start trend way ye dey anye ignorance is no excuse senka ignorance is excuse anka the whole beyond family no anka obi have enya fa hodi but ignorance is no excuse
ebi no free say le bia okasa efa aban ho wu omu japa esa so aso ne aban ne ti ado ahoma so
me ne endi system so me yesa me na mkasa o wo de busa abeku santana se tepe na se dey no your finance ye nyini free o wa bon me na mkasa asem no ambaso no abon woman going to abon oni business ni telepathy bia business community no who say purely tax man or taxi ya taxi bibia papa condom grand all the whole tax by no way nipa wo catch no me finance minister na me magiatum and this kwa down you na me say say tepe
your finance minister we ye bebo Ivan
Ken is my man but abusuasem na me ntimi engine to me Ken any na President Akufo-Addo nye abusuan kamaka say no problem but me abusuan ne de menje
Ghana for face we taking decisions be bra a dream and I say more dream 2.25 billion bond without parliamentary or cabinet approval decisions be brave and our taking and it even who said no and Anna is what Ghana have to borrow before you pay salary. So I said take back no taxes are one borrow and pen trade my foka. Now said ne obi Bobisian as a Bobisian the trade my foka.
Personally, we are soon obi your papa is how can you be nipa? I've known Ken for some years. I've known Ken before MPP came to even before 2000 many Ken took
and to ya dey na nya crown to me.
Make me catch no. But me pena catch and say new be ho on city up no yin see. Because him and you be bro ho yeah can even say me na nka be catch am say for 20% enkotua for SHS na nka mentua. Ka make say yentimi raise ya the near starting right.
Well, Odi answer na meja mama fa yam fan from
na mo kan apese no answer one kan wie to the men kan simbi apia na no etro ya baby a me pins me support because I said the attempt be sa me support nemom as ya kan say maybe akwa yie enu de sade ne mu bi wi se me hunu filifili ameka ekwa yie abranti bi owu ye papa your friend no asanti be di etuo no omo brother or some relative
president secretary
yes na wo hye baby aka chen say imano bedu ko bi say wanya de kura na do ye anim gwase
o ye den
eye na se eye kosie nipa no no jot
anti picture bi e ba no kuta jot ana won
me su hia na ka chen ne se me se ye kwa eye wo chabi nipa ko wu ye ne maame o me church member your friend Michael Oforiata. The Juma of Spinters, your friend Build Mat.
That's what the jot to the say normal.
Now then, I be any penny in Ejinano. And I know jot. I de who you are. We're losing identity.
Sabra no man be president.
Me as me care about a month or two ago, yeah. President be ye ni bi. First lady baby. Kufu ye kwesi ye no. A ho no be Ejinano jot. Aden.
Well, Odi answer na me baby kura no mame na no na asem we kire ma dwen kakra. Aba news mu bebre wo I say prophet Manobedu Kubi wa friend to ni we wa man car wa friend celebrity we wa man we we be ka say those celebrities most of them kura no are already established. Some of them have more than 2 cars. Ye onyanka fie we sia bebre other na prophet Manobedu Kubi ebe yi sika. They say 50,000, 100,000 expensive cars. They be do celebrities.
Me wonu me bra me ye mba bonten. If Shenkofo be bra school. Me bueni pa be bra daily. Me daily life. You say me need bi me kuta bi dia obi benya bi.
And then come my celebrities.
Celebrities so achieve. Papa Honto, to him that hath, much shall be given. The one ye be kan ho. The one no kran ke be kan ho. Na bi oni no busan say adenti no oni busa no enti scripture na me fulfill this ano
I see papa why am mo nyina no why regret say bia they have been ungrateful
there be me ye ma nyame yesu say mo ye ma wonu no ya ma me ye ma nyame God will pay me back ni nyame so wafia me ka o wafia me ka bebre papa Honto me ka chi de nyame ayama me ho me de na ase ma no wahwe me waboa me wabie kwa ma me chese wayemi bi papa Honto Africa continent me catch your president am ni mo yembe show who listen to me Manobedu Kubi kase we kase chire me kwan no kan we chire me catch your south side west side president bi okra me di kan catch on so mumfra kunya so time so won free so a ye be yi no ama obi okọ odwane enti ohun nyame ayemi bi e de be na me pe bi o enti de mayam obi bia me yema Yesu
obuafo Mr Beautiful na no beto news me say wa kese wa domi on mutuni Nicholas Omania Champo Tabita Kum esan say ungrateful
I know your boys omo mienu na omo
enyo wa say wa show ungrateful
oh David your man enyo masem na omo come masem
say obo chiche fruit say be ka just then to me wa nyina
enti obu sam Beautiful na ma me de
Nicholas when I champion as well as
Many come on.
Or that's about
For some time, who not about many come on.
I cannot tell you more. Saw them was
say not one or carbon chain so cotto.
No, your church member.
Or that's your church member.
How often or Bass or Nancy?
Oh, what Nancy Queen check crown or Bammy Hofi?
Montam to say,
oh, yeah, problem be any end.
Yeah, sure. And Mr. Beautiful cases no matter.
So, no, you are going to a minimum going to your two cockers.
Well, 5 callers now, Udi for 0302 328 343. 0302 328 343. Yemfa callers, Maku enum na Udi for and Koma ye chichi, a beer over Bakumuni and Sabia. Na afei hello first caller. Hello.
Hello,
Pacho din ba bia frefe.
Din de same say just al frefe pick the card.
Ye nti o minia.
I shall do for papa. Ya say about there what to say o the sense so go. Would do for me that the first night na mo kan ni tino. Na tese software what ga na me teacher man. The way I mean, sure, party after Pano, Papa, Musa. That the any other told and some in Friday. I don't go you, Katrana, or one water, I can call us over that.
How good to you. 03023243. Hello. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Pacho didn't baby a free.
No, what up? To get down.
And cow so. Woody.
But we are your Africa about soccer.
Yentio at Africa.
Me Pacho. Let us tell me who also for now that also could be said, or you're so for not a politician.
When you are okay, also pursue who or software or Casa into one Casa question, you were defeated. Court the back so you have no recourse to continue. 0302328343. Hello. Hello. Pacho didn't baby a free.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, didn't buy your free.
Democracy, Papa.
Yentio demo.
With the papa, the papa, Uncle Swan, Carol, Quarnasa. Yamini Badi, say, I'll be a letter for Drew Bama, you be on one and in the team. On the end, be our Uncle Swan, Canada, as the pounding and the Yajma.
Yamin Son Cow 0302328343. Hello. Hello, caller. Hello. Me Pacho din baby afrefi. Opening kasi yenti na wie. Okay.
Now all things work for good together for those who work for the gospel. See, you never man your mother. I'll get in contact with you and get the pastor's number.
I tell you, about Bokradi amount, just will get to pen with people and ready about D for number amount. Now, watch me afraid. 2 more calls 0302328343. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pacho din ba Aziz Niana. Yentio.
Yeah, that's the day as my father was about them. I for one show. Yeah, Pastor Papa. Me Pacho, we better say, obey a pastor, and obey a pastor, or go to Zubempa, and your pastor, and the pastor Papa no more than no more the politician. Say Papa is at him, Pano Taka. Me who at him of the car, not and Bemuda. You have a cut and your pastor, they are no more president, no more company, no more, the Papa, the interest. This out of all of at the Vatican of the Pana.
And as Papa Payne, Kwame Manfo, she was serious. I love this man of God. Gradually, his prophecies are coming true. I say, last caller. Hello. Hello, last caller. Hello.
Hello, I don't know. I have a professional work here.
Whining. Oh, whining. 0302328343. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho didn't baby free last caller. Ayini Yahuza.
Yahuza ni mi fesi sun.
Ye call last caller. You.
Yahuza ni mi fesi sun. Anamu nto nyaku yo nyamichi opa ni ti ma pa wudi. Se otofo donki.
On no friends or so MPP for friends or so. How much more can not see you?
Me pacho come I know di for di no ka bidio bi be ka enya no ne discussing.
Very good. Nyame trying to want to plan our uncle teacher when you send out so and also for my papa for one.
Koko. Transunu wa me makra. Ya fa kola bia bia me say ebra no esa. Ma otafrija ma me nka se michiro. Sebi enya nkwada. Wani afi misumani afi. Wa wasema wo kan ya wo frɛ wo se osofo na wo te ho no. Upeso hu so your software na so a politician. Enti one kasa wo question new statement am make you no. Where defeat yourself. Court where you have no locus. And for that matter, what's my person carrying no and void. Anything I mean you do for a free mood. So next time, know how to ask your question. Do your critical thinking with common sense. And we here, Odi. Ghana for Ebo Abaso. The Ejuma Power Yanokoswa na eye. Ne krakra bekono. Odi pempenso Ghana yewe. Ghana niba, womo abemu, womo ni abemu, asofo, akomsofo, difo, obia, ediena, pempeswa yewe, yebeye, ebetumi ama oman no, ye hwehwe ensaka.
Government be on a part, citizens and so on a part. Na no ni idea ya so for yenchichi munchre people in our nation. Government on a part, citizens on a part. Government, most of the parts no a god, uja wo mo bebre. And a policies and a direction of the nation echo as so much certain things yet clear. Citizens so parts no it be ideas, it be a work, it be a vision, it be a whatever. I see as you're doing now, you're mixing it to the nation echo. Citizens need a woman as a government accepting say as so much citizens in Panama Case, the wooye the wooye because a nipa some na woka. And so more kwanya o government no obebre enti ye me huni say Ghana is going nowhere because medical church when I can be number 1 I don't know where God is in this nation. Number 2 no there's no national vision. 3 there's no national unity. 4 there are no better policies a one nation idea ko ba bia better and you're wrong at the wrong time. It should be planned. There should be a blueprint before it starts. And so we need to correct a lot of things. And now, me can't send you a papa